Hey everyone, this is Joe. We are really excited to bring a huge feature update to SignTracker. So if you are in your job flow board or the job list view, you can simply click into the job and go to attachments. And you are now happy to see that instead of just a 10 meg file, you can now upload files as big as a gig, and that's per file. So this is great news for people that do large format digital printing or vehicle graphics. And we really feel that this solves a lot of problems for you guys. Mostly, I know at our sign shop, we would have an external drive where we kept all of our files, or a server. A couple times that failed over the years. We lost years worth of artwork. Or if you're paying, whether it's Dropbox or Google Drive or whatever, and those aren't always the easiest to organize, and they don't necessarily help you keep your files with the exact job. So hopefully we solved all those problems for you. And because there's nothing worse than losing files on a job. It's a huge time waster, and especially have to go back and recreate artwork, or go out and take more pictures because they weren't put in the right place and you can't find them. So hopefully this will solve all those problems. So once you're in attachments, sort of like the last tool, you can either drag and drop them here on this square, or simply just click upload files. You can select multiple files, so if you just navigate to wherever they are, go ahead and upload them. We also did a big update on our infrastructure, so these files will upload and download really quick, and you get to preview them right inside the job, so no more having to open up a separate clicking and open up a separate browser window to see what it is, then download it. You do everything right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these features. First, if you click on any of them, you can get a bigger view of what the file is. You can see what kind of file it is, the size, when it was created or modified within the upload system. So if you replace it or whatever, it'll show you when it was modified. Now we can, and then you can download it from here or delete it. But let's hit this edit. Inside here you can edit the file name, and this is really cool. Now you get to edit, you get to add tags. So this will help you organize the file within this attachment section. So I already added a few tags, one for design, logos, survey photos, completion photos, documents. I would suggest that somebody at the shop take charge of, when you first start using this, go ahead and add a file to a job, even if it's a test job, and then start typing out some of your tags. So let's say it's design, I'll just say design 2. So you can see there is no design 2, so I just simply hit that and add it. And then you basically go through and you can add as many different tags as you want. And then from there, they can be assigned, multiple tags can be assigned to each file. So we'll say this one's a logo. And then we'll go ahead and save that, go back to the attachment section, and you can see that this now has a tag for logos. You could have multiple tags as well. So let's go ahead and do that again. Come in here, edit it, and we're gonna add a tag for, we'll say this is logo and design. We can add 2 tags, and let's go ahead and save that, and then go back to our attachment folder, and now you can see this has 2. And this is really cool. So once you start adding tags, whichever tags they use, they'll basically show up in a line across here, and then you can just click and it'll filter them out. So if I just wanted to see the final production files, I would just hit final production files if that's one of your tags. Or if I just wanted to see the survey photos, I would just click survey photos or documents, permit documents, whatever. So this is a great tool for organizing your files. And then once you complete the job, you can save this, archive it, and if you have to go back to this job in a year from now, maybe you need to see a copy of the artwork, or the client requested something, or a copy of a permit or whatever, they're always going to be here. And if you clone the job in archive, it won't clone the files, but at least they're all right here. So if you were doing a sign for this client, the exact same thing, but maybe a different location, you could just cherry pick ones, easily download them, and then reattach them to the new job. So anyway, we hope that you really like this feature update, and more importantly, that it really helps you to further organize your jobs. Thank you very much, and have a great afternoon. Bye.